Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Grok AI. The first thing I want you to do is actually just come here to grok.com, and then from here I want you to just go ahead and come at the top right, click on sign up. I'll show you the different options. You can either sign up with X, right? Just use your X account. You can sign up with an email, use your Apple account, or sign up with Google, which I'll use in this instant. Okay, just go ahead and choose that. Sign up with Google, choose your email account, and then just allow X.AI to access this information about you. Basically, your name and profile, your email address. Hit continue. Okay, and after this, you are basically done, and they'll redirect you to grok.com, where you are able to use Grok AI. So let me show you right here. I have done a lot of different things with Grok AI, even made videos as well, images, anything you can imagine. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.